chilling right at this level right now. But this is my top watch. Um, Coming into today, contracts are very cheap, where they should be cheap. Um, it's a super clean chart. They have a nice catalyst behind it. I love it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You see that we had this previous resistance at 33 from like a few weeks back. Price is at this level of resistance right now. Not only are we at this resistance, but we're at this resistance level after we had a trend line break. This is low key like a very nice setup. I would get this. I would get this like maybe like a this is like an A setup for me. I ain't gonna lie. Like this is probably one of my top watches. My favorite setup coming into today. Nice trend line break, push into resistance. Now we're just looking for that continuation. We want to break and hold over 33, and this could fly. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It could go crazy. So I want to be here for it. If we break over 33, my first price target will be 35. That'll probably be my price target for the day. That'll be my only price target for the day, 35. And if we continue higher, then I'll hold some runners or something to see if we get a move up into 39. But realistically, my first price target is 35. So that's what I'm paying attention to. Off market open, like I said, this will be my main watch. This will probably be my only watch because I don't like too much of anything else. But over 33, what we're looking for is something that's very simple. We want to see if price has the ability to break and hold, ideally on the 5 minute chart. You want to see a nice break and hold over that 33. Look for some pullback opportunities. You could add on those pullbacks as long as we're respecting that 33 and turning that $33 level into a nice support. You could look for some buying opportunities off of that 33 to ideally be a part of that move up into 35. That would be ideal. Um, what's good, y'all? Today is September 9th, and the main thing I'm looking to trade today is PLTR. Looking to see if we get a break and hold over 33. In terms of the higher time frame chart, I'll break that down in a few. But we have a minute till market open, so I'm just locking in, getting myself ready. So first thing I'm looking for is to see if we get a nice break and hold over 33. This is a very strong level of resistance. So if we do break that today, this can result in a very aggressive move to the upside. I do have some $35 calls ready. Um, I'm also looking for us to have a pullback. If we pull back off market open, I will be interested in playing a bounce on this. I will look for a $33 call. Yeah, that's what I'm paying attention to today. So this is the only thing I really care about trading. So this is what I'm locked in on. If we pull back into this 31.50, I will look for a bounce down here. If we break over 33, I will look for a $35 call. So you're gonna see how it play out. And then yeah, we're gonna rock out today. Stay patient. It's a Monday, so we're not gonna go too crazy, but I like this setup a lot. So you're gonna see. Market about to open in 10 seconds. So this move down isn't surprising. I'm expecting people to be taking profits, especially the people that swung shares. But because the first move we got was a downwards move, if we do take out this 33, I will be a little bit more aggressive on that break. I will enter a few contracts on the break just to see if we get the break and hold over that. But ideally, what I'm looking for is a break. I want to see price break over 33. I want to see us close over 33. And then I'm gonna look for that continuation higher up in the 35. So that's what I'm locked in on right now. That's what I'm paying attention to. Right now, these contracts are pretty cheap too, so I like that a lot. So I'm in pretty aggressive on this break. I'm in 60 contracts. So we're gonna see how it go. We're gonna see if we get a nice break and hold over this level. Because I am in heavy, I will start scaling out of this as we get to move higher. Down to 15 contracts. I'm gonna hold these 15 contracts, see how they play out. Cut a few more because we're struggling right here, and then I'm down to six. So because I enter 60, and I'm down to six contracts, I'm gonna close. I would just want some runners at this point. I caught a pretty nice move on it, so my stop loss on these contracts is gonna be under 33. I'm using active trader to set my stop loss on these contracts. As I move my stop up, the line moves up with it. So let me see. I just want to move my stop up to be like underneath those pre-market lows, honestly, or pre-market highs, I should say. Willing to take a $15 loss on those if they don't move in my favor. But this is my only trade for the day. Right now I'm up nine something, 900. So it was a pretty good morning, low key. Contracts are currently up 50 something percent. I'm gonna make my sales as price pushes higher on these last little runners. And then I'll hold that one contract. But yeah, it was a pretty good morning. I'm up almost $1,000 on the day.